looking to give your Halloween cocktails an extra flair?
Yes.
Andrea
Pentabona from Patron Cocktail Lab, we should say, is showing us how to make some scary good drinks.
Thanks for coming in.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
We appreciate it.
Yeah.
This is a little spooky.
Yes, we would have to be spooky.
Absolutely.
It's the season.
Tis the season, right?
So I'm going to show you how to make an orange one and a black one.
Oh my God, that's so clever.
We'll just keep it basic. Orange
Okay,
or black.
so that's the color matters.
That's the color matters for Halloween. The garnish matters too.
Okay.
So, ready to mix up the
We're ready to do it.
Okay, great. So we're gonna make a margarita variation using the Patron Reposado tequila.
Okay.
And I use 3/4 ounce fresh lime juice.
Okay.
And then I use a beautiful handmade syrup, which is local to Massachusetts, which is where I live.
Okay.
And it's tangerine.
Ooh, nice.
Which gives it that beautiful color, also tastes great.
Now, is this something we can get here, or can we order it?
Yeah, you can order it right online at justaddfruitations.com.
Fruitations.com.
Yep.
Craft soda and cocktail spirits.
Yeah.
That's so awesome.
Yeah.
Wow, terrific.
So the wonderful thing about this particular product from Patron, the Reposado, it's great for this season because it's aged a little bit. So it's almost like for the whiskey lover in your life.
Yep.
It's made using the traditional Tahona method, which is using a 2-pound lava, 2-pound. That wouldn't be very heavy.
That'd be a heavy drink.
It actually is even heavier. It's using a 2-ton lava stone to crush the agave.
Wow.
Yeah, so
That's incredible.
Yeah, it's a time-honored tradition. Patron is one of the only distilleries that still uses it, and they're wheeling the Tahona around the wheel to crush it and so it adds an extra layer of flavor because the pulp stays in with the juice.
Okay.
Allows it to macerate and give it some really beautiful flavor. And they ferment it with the pulp in it. So we're gonna shake it up now. Do you want to shake it?
No, I'm good. It'll be all over Tara and me.
So just give it a quick shake depending on, you're gonna just kind of feel it. Make sure that it doesn't get overly diluted.
Okay.
And then we're gonna salt the rim, because who doesn't love a salted rim?
Who doesn't love a salted
rim? But we're gonna
with
do
a little
black salt, because it's Halloween.
This is so, even the bottle's beautiful.
Isn't it?
I just love it.
Right? The little rope and everything.
Do you have that running through your head?
Do you?
No, I do. Absolutely.
So black lava salt can be found at like specialty food stores, also just on Amazon. So it's not that hard to find.
Black lava salt.
Black lava salt.
That's
and
cool.
you'll see, I really kind of amped it up on the one that I pre-made by just using a paper towel to push the salt where I want it.
All right, very good.
So that it looks really pretty. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So your guests will be like,
you can always just play with it after.
yeah, exactly.
You don't have to get it perfect.
Exactly. And it's because the salt's a little coarser, which tastes delicious with the cocktail. It just doesn't always go exactly where you want it.
We only have about 2 minutes. I want to make sure you get to your second cocktail.
Yeah, don't worry. Don't you worry. I am a quick bartender. Shaking cocktails always take longer. So then we're gonna double strain it to get those ice chips out. That way it doesn't melt while you're drinking it.
I love it.
Oh, and then the black really shows up.
It really
pops.
pops.
Turn this to the camera so that everyone can see. That's awesome.
Oh, that's awesome.
And our second cocktail, let me just put this down here out of our way so I don't knock it over.
Can I try this?
Yes, please.
Oh, please, let me try this.
It is not just a prop.
Tara, are you doing the evening shows tonight?
I am not.
So we're gonna make a Rosita, which is a classic cocktail.
Oh my God, that is so
Isn't
good.
it so good? It's so simple too.
That is so good.
Yeah. This is a classic cocktail called the Rosita, but I'm calling it the dark Rosita.
The dark Rosita.
And
so this one's gonna be black.
This one's gonna be black, and it's got 2 ounces of, again, that beautiful Reposado tequila that we love so much. We also have an añejo, and you can find it at your local retailer or order online. And I think there's now a link right on Instagram where you can buy it, which is pretty cool. And then we're gonna use 2 types of vermouth. We have dry vermouth, a 1/2 ounce of that. I don't remember if I said, but 2 ounces of the tequila, a 1/2 ounce of sweet vermouth. Martini and Rossi works great. A little dash of chocolate mole bitters, because we're celebrating Day of the Dead as well as Halloween, right?
Okay, there you go.
So you can see there that it's got all those spices in it. That's where you're seeing the little.
And finally, this is going to make it black.
The black thing, I put squid ink with Campari. Squid ink, again, you can just find at your local Italian retailer or online.
That's perfect.
Yeah, and then it's black.
And then it's black.
And then we stir this one because it doesn't have any citrus in it.
Stir, not shaken.
Yeah, that's the difference. We try to stir things that don't have any citrus to keep them really smooth and silky.
Oh, okay. So if you have citrus, shake it. If you don't have citrus, stir it.
And we're gonna pour it over ice.
All right.
And then I'll just, you can see there that there's a little.
Tara, you try that one. I'm going to keep trying this one. All right, and again, for more drink recipes, visit cocktaillab.com.
You can garnish with a little dragon fruit.
Thank you so
skeleton.
much,
Yeah.
Andrea.
Cheers.
Andrea.
Yep.
Andrea. I want to make sure I
Andrea.
get it right because we
Yeah.
got 16
What if my
Andreas
mom's
here.
watching? She'll-
Exactly.
Andrea.
Andrea.
That's a very adult Halloween drink.